Good afternoon, students. Today we start lecture 3 Organic Chemistry Carboxylic Acid Reactions. Reactions of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid easily releases proton, hence, reaction with bases like hydroxide, ammonia are very common reactions. First reaction is with alkali and formation of salt. So, carboxylic acid RCOH reacts with alkali, that is NaOH, gives RC double bond O minus Na plus H2O. RCO minus Na plus is the sodium salt of carboxylic acid. So, when the carboxylic acid reacts with alkali, salts are formed. Then reaction with sodium bicarbonate. This reaction gives CO2 very easily by using this reaction, identification of carboxylic acid in laboratory can be performed. RC double bond OH carboxylic acid reacts with NaCO3 sodium bicarbonate to give RC double bond ONA sodium salt of acid plus CO2 seen as bubbles plus H2O. So when carboxylic acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate, you are getting sodium salt of acid and carbon dioxide is released, and this carbon dioxide is seen in the form of effervescence. So this test can be used to identify carboxylic acid in the laboratory. Reaction with ammonia and formation of amides. Carboxylic acid reacts with ammonia. RC double bond OH plus NH3 gives ammonium salt. RC double bond O minus NH4 plus. This is the ammonium salt of carboxylic acid. This when heating we are getting RC double bond O NH2. This is amide plus H2O. That is carboxylic acid reacts with ammonia to give ammonium salt, and then amide is formed. RCO NH2 is amide. Next, ammonium salt releases water by heating and amides are formed. Next, RC double bond example OH acetic acid reacts with ammonia to give ammonium acetate. This on heating we are getting, and water is released to give acetamide. Example is this is the example. So acetic acid on reaction with ammonia we are getting acetamide. This is the reaction with ammonia and formation of amides. Next, reaction with PCl5 or SOCl2 and formation of acyl derivative. PCl5 is phosphorus pentachloride, SOCl2 is thionyl chloride. RC double bond OH plus PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride use RCOCl. It is acyl chloride, or we can plus HCl. Example, acetic acid on reacting with thionyl chloride gives acyl chloride, RCH3 C double bond OCl. Acetyl chloride SO2 and HCl. Acetic acid reacts with PCl5 to give CH3COCl acetyl chloride plus CH3PO3 phosphorus acid. So acetic acid on reaction with PCl5 and SOCl2 gives acyl halides. Reaction with alcohol and formation of ester. Acetic acid when reacts with alcohol, esters are formed. RC double bond OH acid plus R dash OH alcohol gives RC double bond OR dash plus H2O. So ester is formed. Example, acetic acid CH3 double bond OH, acetic acid plus CH3 CH2OH or C2H5OH ethyl alcohol gives CH3 double bond O C2H5. This is ester, ethyl methyl esterol. It is also known as ethyl acetate plus H2O. So reaction with alcohol and formation of ester. Acetic acid reacts with alcohol to give ester. Acid and alcohol reacts to give ester, or CH3 double bond O C2H5. Ethyl methyl ester or ethyl acetate. Next, Hell-Volhard-Zielinski reaction. When a carboxylic acid having alpha carbon is treated with chlorine or bromine in presence of catalyst phosphorus, alpha hydrogens are replaced one by one halogen atoms by halogen atoms. This reaction is called Hell-Volhard-Zielinski reaction or HVZ reaction. Acetic, for example, acetic acid CH3 C double bond OH. So C double bond O, the next carbon is alpha carbon and the hydrogens are alpha hydrogens. There are 3 alpha hydrogens. So first, When acetic acid reacts with chlorine in presence of phosphorus catalyst, we are getting monochloroacetic acid. One alpha hydrogen is removed and one chlorine is substituted there. So monochloroacetic acid plus chlorine. In the next step, again one more alpha hydrogen is removed and we will get dichloroacetic acid. Then one again next the reaction proceeds and again chlorine gets added in presence of phosphorus catalyst to give trichloroacetic acid. So all the three alpha hydrogens are removed and three chlorine atoms are substituted there and we are getting trichloroacetic acid. So acetic acid gives trichloroacetic acid and this reaction is known as HVZ reaction. Application of HVZ reaction. This reaction has a wide synthetic application. By replacing hydrogen from halogen, number of important alpha substituted acid can be prepared. So here bromoacetic acid will give you in the presence of NaOH lactic acid, in the presence of NaCN gives alpha cyanopropionic acid. So this many applications are there. So these are the two applications. So from carboxylic acid we can prepare lactic acid, alpha cyanopropionic acid. Thank you.